Yes. We begin with the ancient, delicate art of aggressively prodding a tiny pat of butter with chopsticks. In goes the plain white bread. We need it golden, crispy, and thoroughly baptized in dairy. Wait, hold on. Mayonnaise? And condensed milk? Are we making a breakfast sandwich or a dessert? Oh, throw in some sriracha to confuse the taste buds. Spicy-sugar-mayo. Lovely. Now spackle it onto the toast like you're patching a hole in drywall. More butter. Obviously, because our arteries aren't working hard enough today. Now, drop in the square mystery meat. Give it a nice little grease bath until it looks mildly sweaty. Then gently rest it on our drywall spackle. Processed cheese. But notice the technique. We have to do some highly technical cheese origami to ensure absolutely 0 millimeters of bread are left uncovered. 3 whole eggs. For 1 sandwich. Because protein. Add a dash of salt, exactly 30 grams of milk, and whisk it like it just insulted your family. Back to the butter. Into the square pan, because round eggs are for peasants. Now, scrape and fold until you've successfully engineered a solid architectural egg mattress. Carefully install the mattress onto the cheese layer. The structural integrity is holding. Wait, more mayonnaise? More condensed milk? Did we run out of calories in the first batch? Drizzle it over the top like a modern art masterpiece. And a sprinkle of parsley dust. You know, for health. Cap it off with the top layer. The surgical bisection. Behold, a beautifully engineered 3,000-calorie dairy brick. Enjoy your nap. And don't forget to chew your cholesterol medication.